Morning. Somewhere different today. I've come to Brandon Marsh finally. Never been before, so I don't know where I'm going. I've come with the main hopes of catching a glimpse of the kingfisher, because I've been told you see it a lot here. But speaking to the guy at reception, he said the main hide where you see the kingfisher is currently closed. So just my luck, any. But we'll have a walk around and see what's there. I've just seen another photographer and asked him if there was much going on, and he said nah, not really. Just my luck. Well, as much as I like a change of scenery, and I really do, I was expecting a lot more. I know I probably haven't even scratched the surface yet, but there's nothing here. I can't see anything. Whether it's just a bad day, I don't know. But it's big, but I don't know, just can't see anything. Saying that, I said that last time, didn't I? And I got a load of photos. And it is early, I've only probably been here 40 minutes. So shut up, Mark, and keep looking. Well, I'm walking round and I'm still disappointed. There's nothing here. I'd say Ladywalk's probably busier, and I thought I'd never say that because that place is dead. But this is almost the same. It's a nicer walk, I suppose, and has good potential. But God, it's quiet. You can hear a few little birds here and there, but nothing apart from that up there. Oh well, we'll have a look around a few more hides, and if it's absolutely terrible, I might even go to Ladywalk on the way back. I can't see me stop. I had plans to stop in here until, I don't know, 3 o'clock, and then thinking, oh, I've got to go back to pick the missus up. But I think I'll be going back probably within the hour. Well, I popped into the hide and spoke to an old guy, and he said it's really quiet here. He said they never get avocets. He said they've had a couple here. You might get lucky and see a grebe. No kingfisher. Just my luck. No, I think I'm just going to walk around this bit, and then I'm not even going to try and think I'm going to hang about. I'm just going to go over to Ladywalk. It can't be any worse than this, and I'm nearly home then. At least I'll see something a bit more interesting there. Is that a buzzard or a crow? There's a buzzard right up there, but he's a bit too far away. Oh dear. So quiet. Not a bird about. I'm going home. Well, I've been into that hide behind me and every other hide, and it's absolute pants. I was really expecting a lot more from this place, and it's not as if there's only this, or there's only sparrows or whatever. There's nothing. It's really bad. I'm going home. I'm going back to Ladywalk, I think, on the way back. At least I might get a photo there. It's just, it's terrible. I don't think I'll be coming back here in a hurry. Well, Brandon Marsh, all I can say is you've really disappointed me, and I won't be coming back anytime soon. Well, I've come back from Brandon Marsh and I've come over to Ladywalk just for a couple of hours. Got 2 hours before I have to go and pick the missus up, and I didn't want to go home. Too nice of a day to be stuck in. So let's see what I can get here in 2 hours. I think it might just be one of them days though where I get nothing. Well, I've come out to Ladywalk and I've seen more in 20 minutes than I did in 3 hours at Brandon Marsh. I've seen kestrels, martins, cormorants, tree creeper, muntjac, gooseanders, mallards, Canadian geese and egrets. So yeah, it's much better here than Brandon Marsh at the moment, but I haven't got long and I feel like I'm really rushed today. But yeah, look, what are them? Teals? I don't know. No, me and birds. So I'm going to go spend a bit of time in this bird hide where there was a lot of activity last time I come, but I completely ballsed it up and come away with nothing. So I'm going to see if I can do any better today. Although not brilliant here, still better than Brandon Marsh. Got a couple of shots here at least. Nothing special though, and nothing any good really. But I'm going to head back now. If I get any more I'll show you after this. If not, thanks for watching. Until next time, which will probably be Middleton Lakes. Guaranteed to get photos there.